Harry, will you just get a move on? Don't worry, I'm finishing up my order. Hey, thanks again, man. Hey, you're welcome again, man. Well, what do you know? A parrot in a tree. Guys, you gotta have a look at this parrot. Meow. I don't see any, Boyd. Me neither. Harry, was your drink alcoholic? No. Joe, what'd you do that for? For lying. Man, I'm not seeing a bus anywhere. What about you, Burley?
I can't tell. There's a sign in front of my face.
Well, look what we got here. Guys, look, another Boydie. Oh, you mean the one that disappeared?
That's a good one, Joe.
No, seriously, a bird really is... There. Harry, you gotta stop with these bird calls. Alright, I'll stop on one condition. When I say there's a bird, you look for the bird.
Good enough for us.
Alright, there's the Boyd.
Alright, there's a Boyd. Now what's so special about it?
Harry, was my drink alcoholic? No. Well, I wish it was.